Turn your passion into profit. Do you love planning parties? Do you thrive on bringing people together? Do you dream of turning your passion into a paycheck? If so, event planning might be your perfect gig. It's a fantastic way to earn money, work flexible hours, and be your own boss. No matter your background, you can step into the exciting world of event planning and create unforgettable experiences. This essay will be your guide, providing all the essential information to kickstart your event planning journey. We'll explore the ins and outs of freelancing, the key skills you'll need to hone, and effective marketing strategies to attract clients. Get ready to unleash your creativity, manage logistics like a pro, and watch your event planning business flourish. The perks of freelance event planning: be your own boss. Freelancing offers unparalleled freedom and flexibility. As an independent event planner, you call the shots. Set your own hours, choose the events you want to plan, and watch your business grow at your own pace. Love the morning? Schedule client meetings then. Prefer working from home? No problem. Freelancing allows you to tailor your work life to your preferences. But the benefits don't stop there. As a freelance event planner, you're more than just an organizer. You're a visionary, a problem solver, and a creator of unforgettable experiences. You'll have the opportunity to meet diverse people, network with vendors, and see your creative visions come to life. Every event is unique, presenting new challenges and opportunities for growth. Gearing up. Skills for event planning success. Now that you're excited about the possibilities, let's talk about the skills you need to succeed. Don't worry, you don't need to be a seasoned pro from day one. Many essential skills can be learned and honed along the way. First and foremost, organization is key. As an event planner, you'll juggle multiple tasks, deadlines, and client expectations. Strong organizational skills will be your best friend. Communication is equally crucial. You'll be interacting with clients, vendors, and attendees, so clear and effective communication is vital. Budgeting and financial management are also essential for staying on track and ensuring profitability. Section 4. Spreading the word: marketing your event planning prowess. Once you're confident in your skills, it's time to spread the word and attract clients. Start by creating a strong online presence. Build a professional website showcasing your services and portfolio. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to share stunning event photos and engage with potential clients. Networking is another powerful tool. Attend industry events, connect with vendors, and join local business groups. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Tell everyone you know about your new venture. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews and refer you to their network. Offer special promotions or discounts to attract new clients and build a loyal customer base. Remember, effective marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously explore new avenues to promote your services and expand your reach. Section 5. Unleash your creativity, from weddings to corporate events. One of the most rewarding aspects of event planning is the opportunity to unleash your creativity. Whether you're planning an intimate wedding, a milestone birthday bash, or a high-profile corporate event, each project is a blank canvas for your imagination. From choosing the perfect venue and decor to crafting a delectable menu and curating entertainment, every detail contributes to the overall ambiance and success of the event. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and infuse your unique style into every event. Remember to listen attentively to your clients' visions and preferences, transforming their ideas into unforgettable realities. As you gain experience, you'll develop a keen eye for detail, anticipating potential challenges and finding creative solutions to ensure flawless execution. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the event planning adventure. Embarking on a freelance event planning career is an exciting adventure filled with opportunities for creativity, personal growth, and financial reward. While it requires hard work, dedication, and a passion for creating memorable experiences, the rewards are immeasurable. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, embrace the challenge, and watch your event planning dreams transform into a thriving reality. Remember, the power to create extraordinary events lies within you. Go out there and make it happen.